Hi YouTube, this is Smith, and I apparently dropped my phone in the water, and today it's been like 10 days since I put my iPhone in rice, cause looking up Google and they're like put in rice, so I'm gonna see if something happened, and here we go. As you can see, the rice was like pretty deep in and the phone was inside, so, and if you see a little, like, see this rice is wet, I think it probably works, so check it out. And just to let you know, this is iPhone 3GS, and yes, it smells like rice. Crap. So just give it a second. Hope this works. Yes. So as you can see that my phone started to work, and here we go. You see, let's go to weather. Oh, thank God it works, cause as you can see, the water was pretty strong, because the rice sucked up the water, but it couldn't do better. So when I click the stop button, it actually doesn't work, as you can see right here. So I actually soaked up the water. As you can see, there's no water at the back of the screen, and so I got this app called the Activator right here. And by chance, if you're in an application and you have like go back and doesn't work, just go to shake device, and as you can see, I have home button clicked here. So when you're in an application and when you shake it, it just gets out. So thanks for watching the video. Like and comment, and thanks.